I'm Andrew Dodd, and I'm the Manufacturing Process Engineer at REDCOM EMS. 3D printing opens up a lot of opportunities for REDCOM EMS and our customers. It allows us to increase our quality, decrease our lead times, and help save money to both us and our customers. REDCOM EMS has had our 3D printing system for almost a year now. We've done dozens of projects, custom fixturing for rework, for through-hole applications, and as well as using things with our conformal coating system. It allows us to build up a fixture through individual layers down to 100 microns about. That allows us to do very interesting things that you can't do with traditional machining. With traditional machining, you start with a block and reduce it. This is additive manufacturing, which allows us to do interesting geometries and other kinds of solutions that you can't otherwise achieve. Without having the 3D printer, traditional fixtures and things like that take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, if not longer, depending on the complexity. It also allows us to create fixtures that are a lot cheaper. Traditional metal fixtures are anywhere from a couple $100s up to a couple thousand. This allows us to produce those fixtures for dollars rather than hundreds. Overall, the 3D printer allows us to be flexible and meet our customers' needs on a shorter time scale than would otherwise be available to them. This also allows us to provide our customers with a lot of cost savings that traditional fixturing and tooling costs may not otherwise achieve.